Kate here at WTI, and if you're working with a small space, you have to check out this narrow side table from Oppro. What I love about it is how tiny it is. I only had about a foot of space to work with beside my bed, and this fits in there so nicely with plenty of room to access the sides. It has two shelves with the option of moving the second shelf down above the drawer, which is nice. So you can kind of customize it based on your space. It does have a drawer on the bottom. It slides out nice and easily. You can put some things in there. It also has a nice little pocket that hangs from the side. This is ideal to store your smaller items, your glasses, your remotes, things that are easily misplaced. It was very easy to put together. It does go together a little easier if you have two people because some of the attachments just sit into the sides instead of screwing in. So it's easier to have somebody hold it in place. But either way, it goes together in just a few minutes. It comes with two options for the legs as well. So if you want them on casters, they do have the wheels, or you can have it stationary like I do. I'm really happy with the quality. It's sturdy. It does the job super well. It's exactly what I was looking for. So if you're looking for similar, I know they also have all sorts of different things. My husband has one of their plant stands as his end table actually, and that works out perfect for him since again, we have a narrow space. They have other plant stands as well and all kinds of furniture that goes together really easily, but looks really nice. So if you're looking for something, I think Oppro is a great choice, and that's my point of view.